And welcome to Car Help for You. So basically this is a 2010 plate CIB. From what you can see is the belt on the actual car, which will be visible to you. This car in particular, when it was starting up, had an extremely squeaky noise. The customer didn't want to spend too much money and wanted it repaired for the time being. So the simplest and the easiest fix was quick bottle of WD-40. All you got to do is just spray it on the inside of the belts there, on that spin there, across the belt up here, and just let the car run and let this WD-40 spread all over the belt. As you can see, mine's got quite a lot on it, that's why my gloves are really shiny. So once it spreads around, it will actually lower the squeaky noise down for the time being until you can get it into a garage and get a more permanent type of fix on it. If this video has helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.